Well, as I said before, it's a bit hard to tell from the exterior if it is a male or female magpie, and you can't tell by looking at the genitals as either. But the literature shows that the male is bigger than the female, and I also read somewhere that the tail feathers, the female tail feathers are black, while the tail feathers of a male is bluish, because the magpie, Norwegian magpie, has beautiful colors beside the obviously black and white drawings. The feathers on the top of the wings are greenish, metallic green, and the tail feathers are bluish. They are not a songbird the way the Australian magpie is said to be. I never heard an Australian magpie, so I can't tell for sure. But this one doesn't sing at all. But it but it makes a rather loud warning sound, which is quite demanding, and he uses the sound also when he is hungry and wants to be fed. And I can't tell the difference between those sounds he makes. Look at him, cheeky bastard. Hello, Smule. As I have said before in an earlier video, Smule was one of 2 chickens fallen out or kicked out of the nest while they were approximately 2 weeks old, but the other chick was twice the size than Smule was. Smule weighed 118 grams. Ow! And Smith, which was the name I gave his brother or sister, was approximately 138 grams, 20 grams heavier. Unfortunately, Smith didn't make it. I think he had some respiratory or circular problems because his breathing was quite heavy. He